Now that we've built our line chart, the next thing to build are these two dynamic pieces of text. When you click a line in the chart, these two guys show that name and its corresponding total of Social Security cards for the whole century. In step 5, we'll hook up the line chart to these two pieces of text using a dashboard action. But right now, we need to build them to begin with so we have something to attach at all. Let's start with the name. We'll make a new sheet and call it Big Name. Okay, we just want to print the name, so we'll drag the name variable to text. Now, that's a lot of names. We know what to do when we want to narrow down our data. Got to use a filter, right? Let's use our shortcut we learned in Dashboard 1 and click the drop-down menu on the name pill right there in the marks card and click Show Filter. We see the name pill has been added to the filters card, but we've also been given the same custom list filter over here. Let's narrow this down to just one for now. Great. If we look down at our little viz summary in the bottom left-hand corner, we see that we have one mark. This is our visualization. It's just text on the name pill, which we've limited down to just one name. If we want to edit our mark, we can just click on text and then these little ellipses, and then we just edit this like we would a tooltip or a text box. I'm going to make the name variable really big and bold, and remember that we know this is a variable, not just text, because the light gray shading and the carets around the word name. Okay, then let's change our view from standard to entire view so we can see everything. Maybe center it. Great. And since this is a visualization, you do get a tooltip, but it's pretty useless here. So let's turn it off. We'll click Tooltips on the marks card and uncheck Show Tooltips. Perfect. Now the last thing is getting the color of the text to match the color of the line from our line chart. All we have to do is drag another name pill to color. And so yes, you can have two of the same variable on different parts of the marks card, and yes, Tableau did hold on to the colors you assigned to each name in step 1. All right, one down, one to go. Since we want almost the exact same visualization for the sum of all of the occurrences, we'll duplicate our sheet by right-clicking on the title here, and then we'll name this new sheet Big Number. Of course, if you've got more creative titles, go for it. The goal is simply to be able to quickly find what we've built later. Now, instead of the name variable on text, we want to put the total occurrences for that name on text. Here's what we'll do. Drag the occurrences pill over the name pill. That outline is telling you that the pill you're holding will replace the pill underneath. Beautiful. Now the color will still be the same and the filter is still there, just the name variable has been swapped out for the occurrences variable. And we can go in and add a quick bit of static text underneath the number to describe what it is. So how about total number of Social Security cards in the 20th century? And that's it. 2 very simple visualizations that will be ready to be hooked up later to our line chart. Still with me? Excellent. On to step 3 and those itty bitty circles.